A new presidential crackdown on pharmaceuticals imported from overseas.
We buy more pharmaceutical products from the US by quite a distance than they buy from us.
On social media, Donald Trump announcing that branded or patented medicines imported into America are facing a new 100% tariff. That is, unless a company is building their pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in America. The impact? Unclear.
There's no executive order at the moment and therefore no details.
The tariff is a top-up on the current rate of 25%, but is not as bad as the 200% previously threatened. At home?
In terms of access to medicines in Australia, this is not going to affect us whatsoever.
But the news did cause healthcare manufacturer CSL's shares to dive 3%. The company accounts for more than half of Australia's roughly $2 billion worth of pharmaceutical exports to the US. But outwardly, it's not too worried, saying it has a very significant US manufacturing footprint and is already expanding US capabilities. So far, it's not expecting any material impact from the tariffs, although smaller companies looking to break into the American market could be put off.
That is concerning, and until we have more detail, they won't be able to make decisions.
As Health Minister Mark Butler processes this latest announcement, he insists he'll safeguard the pharmaceutical benefits scheme. It's previously copped criticism from big American companies, arguing the negotiated prices devalue their products.
None of these latest announcements for the US administration make a jot of difference to our determination to protect the PBS.
There's a bipartisan position that is untouchable.
A PBS promise in the face of an unpredictable president. Evelyn Manfield, ABC News, Canberra.
Well, Donald Trump is making life difficult for leaders on the centre-left of politics, railing against migration policies and climate action. But here in London, the Prime Minister is amongst like-minded friends. He's attending a gathering of fellow progressive leaders, including his counterparts from the UK, Canada, Denmark and Spain. Some US Democrats are here as well. It's for what's called the Global Progress Action Summit, where they're sharing tips, strategies and ideas on how to succeed with a centre-left agenda and counter political opponents on the right, including populists. The Prime Minister began his day meeting the former British Prime Minister Tony Blair. He's also attending the summit, but is now being touted too as a potential leader of a transitional authority in Gaza, should a ceasefire there be struck.
Wonderful to see you, my friend.
Yeah, it's great to see you too.
Later tonight, Anthony Albanese meets his British counterpart Sir Keir Starmer, where they'll, amongst other things, be discussing the AUKUS deal. These two leaders are very much on board with this defence pact continuing and want to present a united front to the third party of AUKUS, and that is, of course, Donald Trump.